So then please do this one, part H, right? Then I will discuss this one, right? Then at the end of the class also I will do some of the questions from BODMAS. BODMAS එකෙන් මම තව question දෙකක් විතර කරන්න at the end of the class. After discussing this question, right, I will start the percentage lesson. Alright, percentage lesson එක පටන් ගන්නවා. So I ask you to do this one when the right? So Buddha, I will discuss this in a board, right? So now please focus on the board. Board area බලාගන්න. Right. Now you know what to do. හරිද? මේකේ දන්නවා first thing එක, right? What you are going to do, right? So this is from exercise 3.2, page number 11, right? Part H, right? First question, part H, right? So Buddha, first of all, you need to write BODMAS. Right? First of all, you need to look at, right? Or you need to find for brackets. But here you do not find any brackets, right? So there are no brackets inside this. Of here you have an of. Metan of so equal mark, right? Equal mark, right? So I am going to simplify this one. So Buddha, here I have opening. Here I have opening. Right? So to your left hand side of this word of, you have 7/80. Right? So I am going to put a bracket there. And to the right hand side of the of word, I have a fraction. So I will put these two fractions inside a single bracket. Inside a single bracket. Alright? Right. So division. Right? So now I am focusing on simplifying these two fractions, right? Until single fraction is obtained. I am going to simplify this fraction and this fraction until a single fraction is obtained, right? Like this. 7/80 multiply 2/3. Right? So this of has been converted into multiplication at the same time. Right? Here you have 3/4. Again, equal mark. Still I didn't get here any single fraction. So I have to simplify. When you come to this place, most important thing, right? You need to simplify the numerator and denominator. Right? Numerator and denominator. Okay, Anugi has also sent me the answer. Right? So please remember that you need to definitely simplify numerators and denominators. Before simplifying numerators and denominators, you can get the common term and you can simplify the numerator and denominator. You can divide it furthermore. Simplest version, right? You can represent this in simplest version. Before doing that, don't multiply the numerators and denominators separately. Then you will get huge numbers. හරිද? කවුද මට දෙන්නෙක් මතකයි. One is Roshenka and the other one is මට මතක නෑ නම. හරි. කවුද පුතෙක් දෙන්නෙක් හිටියා? හරි. මම එදෙනට කිව්වා. So they haven't simplified the numerators and denominators by using the common term. එහෙම කරන්න එපා. හරි. Here you have 2 times 1. 18 can be simplified 2 times 9. Hurry, 2 times 9. Hurry. So 5/6 division mark. Here now 7 times 1, 7 in the numerator, denominator 9 times 3, 27. Now this is a single fraction. So that I am not going to put bracket. Alright? Okay. Multiply 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Right? Now my off part is over. O is over. Alright? Then I am going to move to the division. Do we have division? Yes. So to the left hand side, the right hand side, we have 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 27. Alright? So I am going to put a bracket here. Because this is division mark to this fraction and this fraction, it is relevant, right? So equal mark 5 upon 6 until a single fraction is obtained inside this bracket. I am going to simplify it. I am not going to touch anything other than that. Alright? Division mark can be converted into multiplication mark so that I need to get the reciprocal of this fraction 27 upon 7. Alright? Multiply by 3 upon 4. Right. So here you have 6, here you have 27. Right? 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 9, 27. So you can simplify before multiplying the numerators and denominators separate. Right. Now what you are going to do? 5 times 9, 45. Alright. 2 times 7, 40. Okay, now this is a single fraction, no need to put bracket. Multiply 3 upon 4. Division is okay. Now I am going to do the multiplications. So this one, I have no any additions and subtraction here. Addition plus subtractions, right? So a multiplication. So the 14 and 3 or 45 or and 14 you cannot simplify. 45 or 4, 3 or 4 you cannot simplify furthermore. So just multiply the numerators separately and denominators separate. So this is the final answer. Right? 45 times 3 will give you 3 times 5, 50. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 135. Alright? 14 into 4. 4 times 4, 16. 1 remaining. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 56. Alright? So, this is an improper fraction. You can write this as a mixed number. Right? Denominator definitely should be 56. How many 56 are there for 135? I think 2, right? It will give you 112. So if you subtract 112 from this, 323. Right? So Buddha, this should be your answer. Yeah. 2 and 23 upon 56. 2 and 23 upon 56 should be your answer. Right. मैं अनुगे पुते मैं वाला ताऊ सुलू करानु, right? So could you please send me a yes, right? Who got the answer? मैं answer बत्तू करती. Right, Tushang has obtained the answer. Right, yes, yes, Anugi yes, Kavindi yes, Subab niyamai. Amani yes, okay. Dilki niyamai, right? Right. What about others? खुदे मामा आरा correction ने का क्या हुआ? एटी का अनिवार्य बालला कराना मेटी का मेका हुए ना, right? Group पे का I have sent that. Alright, so you need to definitely go and see that correction, right? So I am going to do one more. तवेगा कॉपी करो. देव Do part B. Make it. Do part B. And send me the answer. Do it fast. Right. Okay. This one is very easy. Make one page only. Right. Exercise 3.2. Right. Page 11. Part B. Right. First question. Part B. Right. So first of all, again you have to go for BODMAS. Right. No brackets. You have offs. Right. Meaning here you have off. Right. So you are going to put the bracket. The fraction for the two fractions, right, which are either side of this off word. Off word left hand side and right hand side only. There are two fractions. So put a bracket, right, or parenthesis by covering these two fractions. Then convert this off into multiplication. Then do the simplification until you obtain single fraction. Then go for divide. Right. So the inside bracket 1/4 offward I am going to convert it into multiplication. Right. 3 and 1/3. This is a mixed number. At the same time, I am going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 10/3. Right? 10/3. Divide 2 and 1/6 here. If you want, you can convert this 2 and 1/6 into mixed number in the same step. But I am not going to do. I will keep it like this. Right? I am going to simplify until I get one single fraction inside this bracket before doing the division. Right? I am finishing up with off. Off a finish curve. Right? Here, numerator you have 10, denominator you have 4. So you can simplify this 4 by 2 times 2, this 10 by 2 times 5. Right? So now 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 3, 6. Now this is a single fraction, so that I am not going to put bracket. Right? Okay. Then here you have a division. Right? And now I am going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So the denominator is 6. Right? Denominator is 6. 6 times 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Right? Now my off is okay. So I have now division. So now I'm going to do this. So no need to put bracket. There are no any others operations to be done. Alright, no other any operations. Only this one. Right, you know how to do this. 5/6 multiply. You can convert this division into a multiplication. At the same time, get the reciprocal of your right hand side fraction. So 6/30. Alright. Now look at for the numerator and the denominator. Check whether you can simplify it furthermore. Right? Simplify it furthermore. Yes. Okay. 6 times 1. 6 times 1. So the final answer will be 5/30. Right? 5/30. So your answer is correct, right? Great. Alright. Right.